Hello everyone, welcome to Great Channel. So first, what do you think it is? Yes, it's a rice ball, onigiri. So what do you think the onigiri is made of? Yeah, it's made from rolled porridge oats. It's an onigiri made of rolled porridge oats. It's a new way of eating rolled porridge oats for you, maybe? So replacing rice with porridge oats has been popular in Japan for a few years. Especially it's getting popular among people who are health conscious. So specifically, the staple food of the Japanese is rice. So rolled oats has fewer calories and sugar than a bowl of cooked rice. So it's also healthier than cooked rice and bread because it contains more vitamins and minerals. So that's why today I will show you 3 kinds of easy and delicious onigiri that I often make. Don't worry, these are just as delicious as the ones made with rice. So, okay, let's get started. So, the first recipe is tuna and corn onigiri. So, I'm gonna use 2 rolled porridge oats to give it a rice-like texture. And if you don't want to use mayonnaise, add as much Parmesan cheese as your conscience will allow. So, let's make it. So first, add the oats to hot heat-proof bowl and add 70 ml of water. Lightly mix them and let the water soak into all the oats. And then warm in the microwave for 1 minute 50 seconds. So it's warmed up. And then mix to loosen the rolled oats and then add the fillings. So first, add the 20 grams of sweet corn, add the 30 grams of tuna, 10 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 20 grams of mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise gives the onigiri an extra kick of umami. So and then mix up well. So the fillings were well mixed, so it's ready. So and then wrap it in cling film and shape it in a rice bowl, onigiri. So tuna and corn onigiri is ready. So next up is the salmon and cheese onigiri. So these are the ingredients I use. So mix well to loosen the rolled oats. So that's enough. Let's add the fillings. So this is a baked salmon which is broken up into small pieces. So tear apart the sliced cheese with your hand and a dash of salt. And then finally drizzle with a little sesame oil and then mix up well. So when the ingredients are mixed, transfer them to cling film and shape them into onigiri. Hi! Salmon and cheese onigiri is ready. So the last one is edamame onigiri. So this uses only a few ingredients, but it makes a delicious onigiri. So mix well to loosen the rolled oats. So next let's add the fillings. So first 30 grams of edamame and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. So finally drizzle with a little sesame oil and mix well. So once the ingredients have been mixed, transfer to cling film and shape it to onigiri. Hi! Edamame onigiri also ready. So how were they? It all looks so easy to make, doesn't it? So now you know that rolled oats can be turned into rice. So you will want to try making them. So please give them a try and let me know how they were in the comment box. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!